Welcome to PrepareNext.com. We offer you job details. UPSC is recruiting people for Deputy Central Intelligence Officer and Benchmark Disability people for the various type of jobs in the year of 2021 from 13 September to 30 September. You can click on Union Public Service Commission and you'll see a list of 12 jobs here. There are jobs for Assistant Engineer and the Junior Research Officer, Senior Scientific Officer Grade 2 Electronics, Assistant Professional Mechanical Engineering, Assistant Professor Manufacturing Engineering, Assistant Professor Mathematics, Assistant Professor E&I, Assistant Professor Electronics Communication Engineering, the Electrical Engineering, and Assistant Professional Chemistry, Regional Director, and Deputy Central Intelligence Officer. You can click on any card and you'll see the job description here. You can see the start date and the last date. You can see the vacancies available, the qualification, dates to consider, the selection process, application fee, the apply mode, and how to apply. And you can see the official site and the notification and apply option. You can click here to apply. Stay tuned for upcoming updates. PrepareNext.com. Thank you.